You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we're going to introduce a new project that was just launched a couple of days ago. And the name of this project is Delta. I have gone through this project and I have seen a lot of similarities with the Pi that we have been mining all these years, which the open mainnet was launched a few days ago. Now, this is the interface of the app. This is how it is. It is just the same way we mine Pi. You mine every 24 hours. You see the circle here. Once it rolls to 24 here, that means one complete mining section has been carried out. Okay, it has the wallet section. Unlike the Pi, it was later that Pi introduced wallet section, but this came directly with wallet. Okay, here is where you have your security circle, where you can add people to your security circle, just the same way we did for Pi. Now this is where you are to see your referrals. Okay, now let's go proper into what the project is all about. Now the distribution, this is the total allocation. We have over we have about, okay, from what we have here, a total of 300 billion of this token. Okay, and what has been mapped out for mining is just 60%, which is 180 billion. So what we miners, the pioneers, are going to mine is 180 billion. Okay, and that is the 60% of the total supply of this token. Well, it has not been specified what this 20%, this 10%, and this 10% will be used for. Okay, now this project, the interesting part of this project is that this project is backed up by Internet Computer Protocol, which is a crypto project that has been in the crypto industry for a very long time. Now, currently, the Internet Computer Protocol, which is the coin, is trading at $6.549 as at the time this video was recorded. Okay, so I believe that this project has a lot of a promising future, and if you click on the apps, you see the logo of the Internet Computer Protocol, which is the ICP. Okay, this is it. Now, if you go back to the home screen, you see this is the world map. It's a kind of a pictorial representation showing the world map, and if you click any of these portion of the box or the map, you are going to see the name of the country. In each of the location, in each of the section, you are going to see the name of the country and the total number of persons that have subscribed to this mining. For instance, if I click here, you see this is Russia. If I click on this yellow, you see this is Burundi. Here, this is South Africa. Here, this is Mali. I think Nigeria is somewhere. Okay, this is Cameroon. Okay, let me see. I think I saw Nigeria somewhere here. Okay, now this is Nigeria. Okay, Niger. This is Niger. This is Central African Republic. This is South Africa. This is Nigeria. So we have 2,428 persons that have registered in Nigeria. So you can just click around here. You see the name of the country and the number of persons that have registered. Now, this is the legend for the interpretation of the map, what it's all about, what the colors represent in the map. And this is the total number of persons that have registered as at the time this video is recorded. We have a total of 35,636 person. So we have talked about the allocation and the mining ratio. Okay, now from the data, the registration and mining trends, from the data they gave here, it shows that this project was launched on the 21st. As you can see, today is 27th. Okay, today is 27th, and this is today's data, and we have an increasing bar chart. Okay, so this is the contract. Okay, this is the contract for those who understand better what it's all about. I'm not going to go deep into that. So that is that about this project. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can register and start mining this project. Okay, you know the case of Pi. Those who were not able to mine Pi, or those who neglected mining Pi, when they discovered that Pi has been launched, of course, you know, many people began to, you know, kind of regret why they have not registered all these years to start mining Pi. Now, this is an opportunity for you. If you missed Pi, do not miss this Delta project. It is similar. It has a lot of similarities with Pi. So if you click on this button here, you see the mining rate, how what the base mining is all about, the base mining rate, the total mining rate, what you have to earn every 24 hours. Okay, so let me show you how to do the registration for this app mining. Once you are done downloading the app, you open the page, and this is the first interface that we're going to see. So what you do is you hit on this button to input or select your country region. So I am in Nigeria, so I'm going to search through for Nigeria, and once I get that, I will tap on it. Then where we have the MSISDN, that is where you are going to input your phone number, as you can see. Now, the first set of numbers here is the country's code, that is the Nigerian code. If you are not in Nigeria, your own country's code automatically is going to display here as you have selected here. Now, you begin with the second number. For instance, Nigerian number is, for instance, 080. So you remove that initial, which is that 0. So you are going to start from the second digit. So you input it. Once you input the number, then you hit on the next button. Now, before you proceed, you make sure that this number is registered on WhatsApp, because you may be needing to do your verification. You may need to do your verification with the WhatsApp. Actually, there are two types of verification. That is what I'm going to explain in the video. I'm going to explain how to do that. So just input your number, then you click on the next step button. Then once you do that here, you are going to input the referral ID. That is the referral code. I'm going to drop it on the screen and on the description of this video. Then once you input the referral code, you input your nickname. Input your nickname, then you click on the next button to proceed. Give it some seconds to load up. Now here we have the number that we just input, and here my nickname. So the next thing you do is you click on the SMS verification. Now here you have to read this to understand what actually you are doing. It says click the get button below to select a group of SMS verification access numbers in the queue in turn. Now the next page that we are going to see, we are going to do a kind of verification using SMS. Okay. And before you proceed, you ensure that you have enough airtime in your phone, in your SIM. Okay, that is, whichever number you are going to use for this verification, make sure that you have at least let's say 200 naira if you are in Nigeria, because you'll be sending message to an international number, and you know, communicating to international numbers demands huge airtime. It is not like your intra communication line that you use in the country. So you click on the get button here to proceed. Then here also you have to read to understand better what you are going to do. It says currently there are not enough local verifiers to participate in the DSMS verification access service. Please select the global universal access service, and this is the global universal button. So just tap on it. Then once you tap on it, here we have three numbers displayed here. Now this is for Hong Kong, this is for Britain, and this is for China. Okay, this is China, it's written in Chinese character. So you are expected to choose any of these three numbers to use for your verification. Now many people have encountered challenge. Lots of people encountered challenges while trying to verify their account with the Hong Kong and even the Britain. Okay, personally, I also encountered that, but when I used the one of China, it went through. So in the course of your verification, if you use this first one and it doesn't go, if you use the second one and it's not successful, you try using the third one. And each of these, I think they charge over 100 naira, I think 150 naira thereabouts for those in Nigeria. So now I will go ahead and hit on this button to check it, which is the number that I'm going to do my verification with. Okay. Now I'm going to click on the next button, which is this, the next step. All right. Now also try to read and understand this. It says, please check one access number and click the next button. You can just read it for your own consumption. So click on the next step button. then you wait. Okay, the next page that will load up will give you a verification string, which is a code that you are going to copy and send to this particular number here. Okay, now before you do that, you have to select whether you want to verify via SMS or via WhatsApp. Remember I said if you are using SMS, make sure that you have enough airtime in it. Let's say 150, 200 or above. Just have enough. Okay, then also if you want to verify using your WhatsApp, you can just click on the WhatsApp. So when you click on WhatsApp, let me select WhatsApp. It says not supported. Okay, so China does not support WhatsApp. That is what it means. But if you selected Britain and or Hong Kong, then there will be provision for you to click on WhatsApp here. As you can see, I selected China number here, and once I click on this, it will say not supported. Okay, so I will go ahead and select the SMS option. Okay, then it's already selected, as you can see here. Then you click on the launch SMS button. All right, so I'll click on it right now. Now this will bring me here where I'm going to select the pattern of what's the app that I want to use for the message. So I will use a message, which is the SMS, this one here. Okay, then I'll click on once. Then it will bring me here. Now that string that I was supposed to copy, which I didn't even copy, the system automatically has copied it to clipboard. Okay, and it has brought me here. So what I'll just do is, if you are making use of two SIMs, please, in your phone, take note of this. You will have to select your SIM and select that particular SIM that you want to make use of. In this phone, I have two mobile SIMs in it, MTN and Airtel. Okay, so I want to make use of Airtel, so I'll select on Airtel. Make sure that you select that particular number that you input in the course of the registration at the initial stage. So once everything is checked, you go ahead and hit on this button. Okay, now it has charged me 100 naira. As you can see here, it says last SMS was charged at 100 naira, and it says message received. I just got a receipt message. So I will now go back. Okay, I will go back, and here you now click on I have sent verification string. Okay, so click on it, then you wait for it. This may take up some seconds. Okay, so just patiently wait for it. Now I have waited for a couple of minutes and it kept on rolling and rolling. So what you do is you have to go back. Okay, I'll have to go back and I will click on the next, I'll click on the next step. I'll have to choose another number since the China number that I selected didn't give me any positive results. So I'll click on the SMS verification. Then I'll click on the get button. I'll just redo the process, but in this case, I am going to select another country's number. So let me go with Hong Kong, which is the first one. Then I'll click on the next step, just the same thing we did earlier. Okay, it says rejected, but then it's still going. It says writing on the on-chain, please wait. So let's just exercise patience. Now, sometimes why it takes time is because, you know, this project was just newly launched and the server is, I would say, congested. There are many people trying to log in. Okay, so that is one of the reasons the site is a bit down. So I will go ahead and hit on the SMS, which is the default setting. Now, for those who may want to use WhatsApp, please make sure that you don't use either GB WhatsApp or any other type of WhatsApp. You use the normal WhatsApp messenger. Okay, so I'll click on launch SMS program. Okay, just the same thing we did before. Then I'll select message. I'll click on always. Okay, then I will select the SIM that I want. I'll click on the send button. Then exercise patience. It has charged me 150. So as you can see, the first one charged me 100. The second one charged me 150. Okay, so I will go back now and I will hit on I have sent the verification string, then wait. So it says verification successful, and it's taking me to the next page. Now, let me tell you the fact about this. You will have to try a number of times. Okay, I had to pause this video. As you can see in the video, I used the first number, which is the Chinese number. It didn't work out. I used that of the Hong Kong. It didn't work out as well. When I went for the third time and I selected Britain, yeah, Britain went through, and all of these were through SMS and not WhatsApp. Okay, remember I told you for the Chinese number you can't use WhatsApp, but for Hong Kong and for the Britain you can use WhatsApp for the verification. But I discovered from those who have registered recently that the WhatsApp verification is a bit difficult, so it's better you go via using the SMS. Okay, so once all is done, you just click on the mine button, which is this, to start your mining. Just give it a few seconds to load up, and here is it. Okay, here is it. So this is how to do the verification. I know that this may be a bit stressful, but just try to do it, because I believe, or I feel that this project worth it. Okay, it worth it. Yes, you're going to spend your airtime. If you want to do the airtime verification procedure, you're going to spend some airtime to verify your account. How this mining is done is every day you have to log into your account and you activate the mining section. It is done every 24 hours. So if this yellow box counts from here to here, it's going to close here. Then you have to check in and tap on the mining button to activate your mining section. So if you have referrals, here is where you are going to tap to see your referrals. That is your referral team. They will be displayed here. Okay, your referral will be displayed here for the direct referral. Then the indirect referral will be displayed under this column. Then if you click here, you're going to see the graph, a kind of pictorial presentation of your community, that is your referral team. Okay, then you can play around the interface to understand better how it is. Okay, like I said before, this project is backed by the Internet Computer Protocol, which is a cryptocurrency project that has been launched years ago. Okay, it's in the crypto industry. So you can click on the menu section here. When you click on the menu section here, then under the security circle, you are going to add at least 5 persons. I think the maximum is 5 persons. You can add 5 persons to your security team, just the same way we did for Pi. This is just to enable, maybe in case your account has a security challenge, they can use those circle of yours to verify your account. Maybe if scammers want to maybe hack your account or such like. So when you click here, make sure that you read what we have here to know the function of the safety circle. It says that it provides secondary authentication in sensitive situations to protect your account. You can go ahead to read what does the security circle work. Now, you should please make sure that you do not add someone who you do not know or someone who you do not trust. Now, if you click on the add manually, okay, here you are going to impute the person's, whichever person you want to add to your circle. You put the person's DID. DID is just like the person's referral code. Then here you are going to type an appellation, maybe a kind of what you identify the person with, after which you click on the submit button. Okay, once you click on the submit button, the person will be added to your security circle, and you are going to see it here. Okay, so once you add the first person, this circle will roll. It will roll 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, and 50% for the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth person respectively. Okay, now to get your DID, any person's DID, that is your referral code, you just click on this copy button. This is my own DID and this is my username. So here it has provision for change of mobile number. In case you want to change your mobile number, you can click there. Okay, so you just have to play around this page to understand better what the project is all about. So guys, if you have any question, please you do well to drop it in the comment section below. I hope this video is helpful, and if it is helpful, do well to give a like to this video, turn on the notification bell once you subscribe to this YouTube channel, so that each time I drop videos or updates in this channel, you get notified. I will keep on dropping updates here about these projects and other crypto projects. Okay guys, thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I hope to see you in my next video.